going on a quick test drive here. We have 19,305 miles on the odometer. Exhaust sounds amazing. Steering's perfectly straight. No vibrations. Really no complaints with the drivability. Shifts nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid, no issues there. Really nice car. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, now if you look right here on the edges, you're gonna see rock impacts and chips all throughout, but I don't see any curb rash. All right, looking at the front end, you do have PPF on the full front clip, not including the headlights though. And then you have it here on the A-pillar, 1/3 of the roof, and side mirrors. So looking at that paint, looks good. Side mirrors clean. You have film all the way till right there and across the roof. Right on that very edge. Looks like it had a new windshield installed, so you're gonna see a little bit of residue kind of left over from that install. You got film on the door edge, and then you also have it right here, protecting that area. Door looks good, typical rock impacts down here. Quarter looks good. You have film on that little edge as well, protecting it. If you get really close, you're gonna see some flaws there. A little scuff on that finish. I don't see any curb rash, but like the front, you're gonna have little impacts on these inner spokes. No PPF on the lens here, but looks good. Full front clip PPF. You're gonna have typical rock impacts. Get really close. It's hard to tell if any of those actually impacted the paint. Now, I'm not sure when this film was applied. You're gonna see the bubbles there, some flaws, typical impacts on that splitter. The nose of that looks good. A little bit of rash. It's all pretty subtle. Little bubble in the film here, if you can see that. So basically, typical rock impacts, but I don't see any other damage larger than just that. That looks good. Here on this wheel, no rash. Once again, you're gonna have the little spots on the inner spokes there. Door looks nice, mirrors clean. A-pillar looks nice. That looks good. You have some dirt lifting. You have some lift right here with some dirt underneath. That's what that is. You have some larger chips in this section. Typical impacts here. Looking at that wheel, no rash. You have some Dunlops. Date code on the tires, 2018. Max Race 2s, 305/30/20s. Spoiler looks good. Deck lid's clean. Tail lights look nice. Scanning that back bumper. That looks good. Got a backup camera there installed. All of that looks really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Got a little marking right here. Not sure what that is. A little scratch of some sort. Alcantara's clean. That looks good. Nice matte finish there. You do have a little scuff right here on that trim. Otherwise, really nice. Here on that bolster, typical wear from getting in and out. You're gonna have the wrinkles. I don't see anything larger than that though. Very minor wear there. Alcantara looks good. Here on the steering wheel, you're going to see little scuffs and scratches and wear. Little fingernail scratches here and there. Otherwise, that looks good. That's clean. Upper side of the dash has a beautiful matte finish to it. That screen looks nice. Just kind of scanning through this console. I don't see any flaws there. That looks really good. Alright, looking at that panel. Upper section looks good. Alcantara, all of that's nice and clean. Looking at that trim, looks amazing. Carpets look perfect. That bolster edge looks good. I don't see any scuffs, scratches, or any imperfections, honestly, there. That seat looks brand new. That side of the dash, awesome. Upper section looks good. Really not much to pick apart on this side. And all of this looks really good. Plastics are nice and clean. All of that looks good.